I'm excited. We got to sit down with artist Biff Naked.
Hey, Marc and Mandy, hanging out today with Biff Naked, and we are in your home.
Yes, welcome.
Thank you. And just wanted to talk about your name. I mean, Biff Naked, where did it come from? How did it all come about?
Well, there's a lot of rumors about my name, but Biff is a nickname for Beth. It happened when my high school friend mispronounced my name, called me Beth, and then Biff Naked was the punk rock stage name that I got, basically because all the guys had names already, like Chai Pig or Mark Arm. There were all these like really cool kind of, I don't know, interesting names.
Yeah. So when you look back on this amazing career that you've had, a couple of decades at least, more so, right? How do you feel sitting here now looking back at it all?
I really feel fortunate. I had so much fun. Every tour we do is incredible. We just came off tour in November. We're still working. And it's great. You never have to stop working. People don't retire anymore. And so we just put out another single last week, and we're making new music and looking forward to touring this summer.
And have you seen yourself evolve over the last few years as to how you write?
Oh my gosh, yeah, but I used to write about really stupid topics. I used to write about dogs. I used to write about dogs' hair. I used to write about being in love with my dogs. And I think that my topics that I like writing about now are a little more mature.
Yeah.
But they're all around love and being in love and looking for love.
So if you could push a redo button on any part of your life,
Oh boy.
would you take that opportunity? And if so, what part would it have been?
Oh my goodness, wow. I think that all of us can look back in hindsight, just as far as body consciousness, self-consciousness, self-awareness, body image, and I think that if I could redo anything, I would probably go back and try really hard not to be so anorexic and skinny when I was in my 20s.
Yeah.
Even though, I feel healthy and good now, I look back and I think, what kind of a message was I sending to young, impressionable girls?
Well, thank you so much for having us here and letting us get to know you a little bit better.
Thank you.
Biff Naked, back to you guys.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.